Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.com.
Hi students, good morning to everyone. In this video, I would like to start a new chapter. The chapter is Chemical Coordination and Integration. Okay, coordination, integration, these words are oftenly following from the 10th standard onwards. 10th standard also you studied this chapter. Previous chapter also you studied. Okay, in the life process, after the life process of the chapter in 10th standard, coordination chapter is there. In the 10th standard coordination chapter, you studied about nervous system and endocrinal system. Correct na? A brief information only. In the 11th standard, previous videos, we learned about neural control and coordination. Correct na? So, along with the neural control and coordination, here chemical control and coordination. So, here nervous system along with nervous, some other system, one is endocrinal system. That endocrinal system also play an important role to managing of our body functions. So, this is a time to learn what is the differences between the neural control and coordination and then chemical control and coordination. Later, I will be involved in the explanation about what is the significance, what is the different parts in the chemical coordination and integration. So, in this chapter, first comparison between the neural control and coordination and then chemical control and coordination. Let me start today's video session. See students, and the pointer place, the chapter name, what it is, chemical coordination and integration. Here, for easy understanding wise, I will be explain a good example comparison between the chemical coordination and then neural coordination. Electric power supply, imagine it, electric power supply, and then phone signal supply, our cell phone, okay, telecom, electric and then telecom. If you see these two things, these two examples, electric power supply wise, we need one of the vector, nothing but one metal want to necessary to conducting of that energy. Okay, by the natural power, if we are extracting that energy, then that extract, there is a wind power or maybe water, whatever it is, turbines onwards, water onwards, by using of the turbines, electric power will be generated. After generated, they are sending to that electricity to our houses or industries, whatever it is. We are using the something mediator. That mediator only copper wire or aluminum wire, some of the metal wires is must be necessary. Correct na? And very problematic thing also. Very problematic thing means electric power is a very problematic. If you are wrong handle that one, it is a problematic. Think it. And then just think it. One more example. I call to your phone number. You receiving. Okay. My voice you are listening in your phone. How you are listening in your phone? Okay. Any link in between your phone to my phone? Anything is there? There is no any connection. There is no any connection. Even though we are communicating. Okay. My voice is you are listening. How it will be listening? my phone having the voice receiver, that voice receiver is sending the signals to my voice in the waveform in the tower. That tower onwards it will go satellite, then satellite onwards your region places a tower will be receiving that waves, and then that waves then it will be goes it will be receiving by the your phone speaker, I mean your phone receiver, then your speaker will be omitting that my voice. That is a thing. So from my phone onwards, by tower of the Namakkal any connection is there, by tower onwards any signal, satellite onwards any connection is there, satellite onwards your native place tower having any connection, there is no connection even though communication is there. So telecom wise one type of communication, and then electric supply wise one type of communication, correct only na? But both are sending the something power. Okay, so now the example, take out that example to understand this. So here I comparison that two examples, electric power supply I can say in the example for neural control and coordination. Neural control and coordination time nerves are more important. Without nerves, neurons one by one they are arranging to each other now. Without neurons the electricity it not as distributed, not at transported. That time also we seen electric potential conduction of nerve impulse conduction time plus and minus charges. Okay, that electric distribution are there. So without neurons the electric energy or neural information stimulations cannot transported. But when you coming to the chemical coordination and integration time, they are not yet necessary any vector, I mean any mediator. Okay, by wind is enough, by wind, just wind waves will be is enough. Okay, so imagine it. So here chemical coordination and integration wise I will be considering to the telecom communications. Okay, so here see neural system provided a point to point, that rapid coordination among the organs. The thing is, last class in the last videos you got reflex arc you seen, how much fast it was, Nana? Very fast. Okay, fraction of seconds our body will respond, correct only na? But here chemical and coordination, the co-integration, that system very slow. Okay, but it build up the important functions. Okay, if one time in the chemical and coordination time we will discuss about the endocrinal system, several hormones. That hormones or that glands are malfunctioning, it will show effect on a long time after. So the build-upping is a very slow. Okay, and then the result also exhibited by the very slow effect. In the detailed analysis we will get in the explanation of the classes of different glands. So here neural system provided the point to point. Okay, that means central nervous system giving the signals to our right hand, means our right hand only will be reply. At left hand simply it is not yet show any reply. So here that stimulations is a pointed to pointed, and then very fast coordination among the organs. Then next point, neural coordination is a fast but short lived. That means that very short time period, that information very short time. But chemical coordination time, what information is there, that is a very long time. Okay, simple thing, any effect, affected by the hormones, the effect will be shown a very long time. Cretinism you see, 10th standard you see in the goiter, cretinism, these words. Okay, short heighted persons, these, that is a problem in the chemical coordination. Okay, if the growth hormone is less produced, automatically height will be reduced, correct only na? So here neural control and coordination may be fast, but it is a short lived, as the nerve fibers are not inverted. That means reverse action edi ille here. Okay, after completion, that means negative feedback edi ille nanna. negative feedback area, just any action. Okay, if the nerve impulse are initiated, it will be complete their work. If nerve impulse may be not at released, automatically work cannot be expressed. Okay, so it not at anything shows invert. Okay, invert. All the cells of the body and their cellular functions need to be continuously regulated. For example, in the previous classes, neural contortion time, the stimulations are generated in the external environment, light, the sound, these under external environment, then it will be receiving by our body by the receptors. But internally our body organs want to check out internal regulating the thing, but army persons, navy persons, and then airport, that 3 defense manners are there. Okay, that 3 defense army forces are protected to our country. Okay, protected to our country from the other countries, but they are not involving in the police system. There also protection, but individually each and every state having their own police protection. What is the differences between the army and police protection? Both are doing the same function, but the army forces are protected to from the other country. These police protection protected to ourselves. Okay, if our society any one bad person is there, means any bad activities are there, from that onwards protected by the police. Okay, any criminals, these and all. Okay, the function is the same. So here nervous system is a take out more protection or stimulations by the external, but endocrinal system, chemical and coordination system, it is only internal regulation. Our body parts internal regulation by the these chemical coordination regulation. I think so you got the concept what I am saying. So up to now I generalized, I explained by taking of the 2 examples, that one is telecom exchanges and then electric exchanges, electric power exchange. So that applicable to these understanding of the chemical and neural control and coordination. So in this how these nervous system differ from the chemical coordination. First word, neural system provide the point to point rapid coordination among the organs, and second one, neural coordination as fast, but it is a short lived, that is a character of the neural impulse, as that nerve fibers are not inverted. Okay, and then all the cells are the body and cellular functions need to continuously regulated. For continuously regulation wise, they need a special type of coordination system, that integration system. Why coordination integration means? It is a collaboration of the different body parts, controlling integration. So integration and coordination has been provided a function. That thing is a neural system and then endocrinal system. Both are integrated. Why these both are integrated, I will be explained. Okay, especially hypothalamus we seen in the nervous system, correct now? That hypothalamus play an important role in the function of the all the endocrinal system. So that's why here neural system and endocrinal system both are integrated. By these integration our body functions will be coordinated. Okay, so carried by that hormones. Okay, here chemical coordination time, the message in the form of the hormones. Okay, in the neural control and coordination time, stimulations in the form of the electric. Okay, I mean they are generated the electric impulse. So here hormones. So these hormones are joined, play an important role. See here these neural system, endocrinal system jointed and coordinate regulating the total body of the physical functions. Here up to now in the previously we seen digestive system and respiratory system, circulatory system time, the several physiological functions of the body we seen. That physiological functions are controlling by the these 2 integrated systems, neural system and endocrinal system. Okay, this is the time to enter the concept of the chemical coordination integration. That chapter, for our understanding wise, I kept one statement, one heading, that is endocrinal glands and hormones. Sir, why you kept these names? Means chemicals are secreting by the endocrinal glands. That chemicals in the form of the hormones. So that is it is another name of our title, chemical coordination integration, that is endocrinal gland and hormones. See, endocrinal glands, these word we studied in the structural organization of the organisms. Here the structural organization of the organisms time, epithelial tissue time, some of the epithelial tissue is in the form of the gland. That glands may be different type, that type may be duct glands, ductless glands. So which of the epithelial tissues are secreting something fluid, that secreting nature we call as a gland nature, then that secretion things without ducts it's flowing, that type of secretory glands we call as a endocrinal glands. Sir, if you that glands are containing with ducts means what we call exocrine glands. I think you got the concept. So if the secretory glands are without ducts means that we can consider into the endocrinal glands. So that's why simply we can call it as a ductless glands. Ductless glands. Okay, if the ducts are present means that is a exocrinal. Here exocrinal gland is not a matter. So totally we want to discuss about endocrinal glands. Whether you remembered or not, pancreas, the pancreatic gland is a mixed gland. In the digestive system time I explained why we called as a endocrinal gland, that is a mixed gland. Some of the portion in the pancreatic act as endocrine, some of the portion it is act as a exocrine. So here exoendocrinal words you received. So especially now you recall about endocrinal glands. That endocrinal glands are ductless glands that secreting a fluid and chemical components. That chemical components we kept a name for that is a hormone. That is hormone. Sir, fluid, if you using the fluid word, I recalled blood, okay. Then plasma, okay. Plasma also one of the component in the blood only, na? Okay. So no need not to separate the plasma word. And then lymph also fluid tissue in our body. Sir, this is also anything tissue, na? Your doubt is hormones anything tissue, na? It is not a tissue. It is not a tissue. So what is the hormone? What is the meaning of, what is the definition of the hormone? Let me know about the hormone definition. Hormones are non-nutrients. It is not at have any nutrients. Any digestive foods are not at there. Non-nutrients, but they are in chemicals. It is a chemicals. Okay. Then chemicals which act as intracellular messengers. Intracellular messengers. Correct only, na? So this is the time to recall. In the botany you studied biomolecules chapter. Okay. In that time these hormone word it will also come, enzymes and hormones word it will come. Okay, later we will discuss about that. Okay, then here hormones definition is hormones are non-nutrients. This does not have any nutrients or carbohydrates and vitamins. This it is not it contains. It is a chemicals. That chemicals act as a messenger. Okay, they are in the chemical structures are act as a messenger. By that messenger it is functioning of our body, nothing but our tablet. Okay, we are using the tablet. When you are using the tablet, that a tablet is a chemical that is functioning and regulating our body functions. But the tablet we are taking by the externally. But the same chemicals, same chemicals means not chemical compounds. Such a type of chemicals secreting by our own body, they are controlling our body. That chemical structures we can consider as a hormones. Now endocrinal glands, these endocrinal glands are secreting, that secretions we can call as a hormones. These endocrinal glands does not have any ducts, so these hormones directly transported, omitted into the blood. Through the blood circulation it will reach the target organ. By that target organ, see,
when it is reached that, when it is released in the blood flow, the same chemical component will reach all the body parts, but it will respond same, I mean it will respond by the only one organ. Nothing but can I say one example here? I call to your phone, okay, along with your phone at your houses 4 phones are there. I call to your phone number, okay. Now that vibration, I mean radio energy is deliberated by my phone, that vibration to reach the total all my surroundings, then it will travel to my nearest place signal tower. That signal tower will send to the information to satellite onwards your location signal tower, okay. Then your tower onwards the signals will be reached to your house. All your house 4 phones are there, all phones are receiving, I mean reach that signal, but why your phone only ringing? Why can't another phones? Okay, vibrations will be reach up to your phone. Why your phone only will be receiving means ringing mean here the that a particular target will be there. That target is your phone number. So that phone number alone will be ring. So here the hormones are releasing in the blood. Through the blood circulation it will be transport all our body parts. Why can't all the body parts are respond for that hormone? Because of it is all the body parts not yet have the receiving capability. Only one particular organ only having that ability to the receiving that chemical, okay. So that's why how your phone only ringing by my phone call, like that by the secretion of, by the one type of messages particular organ only will receiving and give the response. That only here significance in the endocrinal gland. So that is the reason I compare the endocrinal system or chemical coordination system is a telecom circulation, okay. I think so now you got my good concept, okay. Then sir, here which organisms are having these endocrinal systems? Sir, all organisms are having these endocrinal system. So for understanding this, lower primitive organisms are not yet have any endocrinal system, okay. Lower means invertebrate organisms. The invertebrate organisms maximum in the from the protozoa to up to coelent, up to platyhelminthes and nematoda, Aschelminthes wise these and all not yet have any endocrinal system. Simply they are, some of the organisms are cephalization is there, sensory organs is slowly stimulated. So that means first nervous system is more important, then nervous system after endocrinal system is more important. So up to echinodermata, that very low, very poor, some organisms only having the endocrinal system, okay. That too very simple endocrinal system, not a complicated. Then when you coming to the vertebrates, then it start to develop a well developed endocrinal system. So when you coming to the vertebrates, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves, mammals are a high peak level of developmental stage. So mammals are having some more advanced endocrinal system. So this is the time to introduce human endocrinal system. So up to now we discussed several human systems, okay, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, muscular system, and then muscular system after skeletal system after neural system, and then this is the time chemical system, okay. Then that chemical system, endocrinal system we can say. The human control and human endocrinal system, it is located in different body parts, okay. This is a don't think a circulatory system. If you think circulatory system, heart one part, which place it is located, we can say particularly heart is located like. But endocrinal system wise, glands are located in the different places of our body, okay. That which place they are located I will be say in the next video, but what are the endocrinal glands are present in our body, that I will explain here. Pituitary gland, you know, you heard it, I think so, this is the time recall to 10th standard coordination chapter, that too chemical coordination concept. So pituitary gland, it is secreting several hormones, it is presence in our head region. Pineal gland, this is also our head region. Thyroid gland in our neck region, and then adrenal gland, kidney above the kidneys, adrenal gland is there. Pancreatic gland in the stomach places, in the left side it is there, pancreatic, opposite of the liver, okay, opposite side of the liver, pancreatic, and then opposite of the liver illana, liver below, okay. Then parathyroid, it is also nearby the thyroid gland, on the above the thyroid gland, and thymus gland. These thymus gland located in the chest, you remembered or not, nearby heart, chest sternum one bone, okay. In rib case, in ventral side we have the sternum bone, correct na? That sternum bone middle place, there the thymus gland is there, and gonads means reproductive organs. These reproductive organs in male, testis, ovary. From these endocrinal glands onwards, several hormones will release, that too situationally, okay, okay. Pituitary onwards, some different type of hormones, okay. Growth hormone, one of the example, pituitary hormone. The growth hormone is secreted means our height. And pineal, our biological rhythm. Thyroid, our carbohydrates metabolism wise. So what is their functions, what is their hormones? I would like to make one more video in the next. So this is the introduction concept of the chemical coordination and integration. For next video, up to that wait, Nana. Thank you.